What is going on?
I want the queen die.
Yeah?
And Espen, what do you think?
I think the queen should die because can you suck? Because you can't take her evil soul out, right?
No, probably not.
I want the queen die.
Well, but look what the queen did. You guys shouldn't fight about it. The queen did something terrible, right?
Yeah, and that's why Isla isn't listening to me because she thinks the queen should be good, but we can't.
Well, I don't know. I don't know if she can be saved. It's true. I don't know. I think Espen's right.
Well, if you kill her, I'll kill you.
No, stop saying that.
That's what the queen wants.
Stop saying that.
Well, don't kill the queen. I like the queen. No, she did something bad. Just look at it. She did something really bad. But I love the queen. It's just fine. I'm fine about it. No, because it looks so
Hey, stop it. Isla, Espen's obviously upset about this. Don't say that.
Hey. Hey, Isla, Espen's upset because he feels like you're not listening to him. Okay. He's okay.
I have to get this out too.
Okay. All right. Let's calm down. Let's read a fun
See,
story.
it's Blizzard. Damn you, Blizzard! You're tearing us apart.
Already. Okay.
Isla, be a good girl, okay? Don't talk about it anymore, okay? And don't say you're gonna kill Espen's character.
Well, I like the queen.
Why? She did a terrible thing.
Well, that's fun.
You think her soul can be saved, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
I want the queen die. That might be our only way. I want the queen die.
Okay. Let's stop talking about the game tonight.
But I love the queen.
Let's read a different story, a happy story, a children's story.
Yes. Hey, Isla, listen to Espen, though. Let him explain himself. And don't just say things like, I'll kill you if you kill the queen, okay? Because that's mean and hurts feelings.
I love the queen.
Well, then you're going to be obviously on a different side of the story, aren't you? And you guys can settle this on the fields of battle.
I like the queen.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to tell you something. Stop. When I'm ready
Okay, all right.
Isla, will you listen to him, please? Let him explain himself. Look at him and let him explain himself.
But I want the character to be saved because if we don't fight the queen, then Luke's town will be ruined. And Luke will have no town.
Yeah? Oh, you mean Orgrimmar? Yeah, we don't want to lose Orgrimmar, do we? That's a big important... When you get there, you'll realize it's important.
I want to keep the town and I want to leave. I want the queen live.
Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens, okay?
See what's up.
But Espen, you stop saying we need to kill the queen, and you stop saying you're going to kill Espen if Espen kills the queen, okay? All right?
I want the queen die.
Well, there's not much we can do about it.
But you won't get the queen.
No, and I promise you, neither will Espen. Well, that's not true. There could be a huge boss battle. I'm not saying I'm not saying it's impossible, because that's how Thrall was defeated, or that's how Garrosh was defeated by a huge group of Horde and allies got together and got rid of Garrosh Hellscream. So maybe we'll have to do that to Lady Sylvanas. We'll all work together to get rid of her.
No.
Well, hey, she did a bad thing. All right. Okay, stop. Now stop it.
Let's read a story.
They're arguing over morals here.
We're not going to start this.
What's
Okay.
wrong with Isla?
I'm going to pick out a story.
I want the queen live. She wants the queen what?
To live.
Okay.
I want her to die. I kept shouting.
Espen wants her head, just like you, but Isla doesn't want that to happen.
I kept shouting destroy the queen, and lots of people replied.
What do they reply? Go.
Like, agreeing with me.
Oh, yeah, good.
I like the queen.
Okay, let's read
All
a
right.
story. Let's read
Well, you should. I don't want the queen die.
We all need to stop talking about this.
All right. Hey, go listen to your story.
Okay,
You promised
here.
to love
I can't promise anything. It isn't my game.
Isla, you
Go,
keep
go,
up here. We're gonna read
go.
a story.
But I
Isla.
want the queen die.
Isla, go listen to your story.
But I want the queen die. I want the queen
Okay,
die.
you don't want the queen to die.
Yeah,
So you promise?
I can't promise anything, honey.
But you will give the queen.
Well, we'll see. I'm not saying I'm going to do it yet, but I might try later on because if she stays bad.
No.
We'll say if she turns good again, I promise I won't try. Okay?
You won't try what?
To go after the queen. Like we had to go after Garrosh.
I want to go after the queen.
Well, that's what I promised her if she turns good again, I won't go after her.
Yeah. Well, I
Yeah,
want her.
and I think Espen agrees.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I want her head.
Yeah, of course you do.